we have already seen the combination of vowels and consonants. Okay, now we can see the one letter words. Now we can start like this: one letter word, two letter words, then three letter words, then four letter words. Making words, then we can go to sentence. Okay, making words, then we can go to sentence. For that, okay, for the purpose, I am going to tell you some one letter words. Okay, easily we can understand by this pronunciation. I have written here also the pronunciation and the meaning. Okay, how we have to pronounce this letter. Okay, this word, one letter word, how we have to pronounce. Okay, see, here we are going to learn one letter words. We are going to learn one letter words. See, one letter words. The first one is, we all know this letter is A. This letter is A. We have to pronounce it as A. The first one is A. We have to pronounce it A. But the meaning is come. Okay. A means come. Okay. Idhar aao, aa jao. Okay. We have to make like this. A. A means come. The pronunciation is A. Okay. You can use this pronunciation. The meaning is come. Okay. We can spell this like A. Then the second one is ja. The second one is ja. Second one is ja. The meaning is go. The meaning is go. Jao. Jao means there go. Okay. Go. Ja means go. Next one is ka. Ka. K-H-A-A. Ka. This means eat. Okay. Eat. Kana kao. Okay. Kana kao means eat the food. Eat the food. Kana kao means eat the food. This is ka. Ka means eat. The pronunciation is ka. Ka. Next one is ga. Ga. Okay. Next one is ga. Ga means sing. Sing. Gana gao. Gana gao means sing a song. Sing a song. Okay. Ga. G-A-A. Ga. The meaning is sing. Okay. The meaning is sing. Next. The next one is they. They. See here. They I have written as they. The meaning is give. The meaning is give. Say mujhe kalam de. Okay. Mujhe kalam de means give me a pen. Give me a pen. Mujhe kalam de. Mujhe chai de. Mujhe copy de. Okay. Give. Okay. Give. See. A means come. The next one is ja. Ja means go. The next one is ga, that is eat. Next is ga, that is sing. The meaning is here. The pronunciation is here. They means give. Okay, we can use these verbs in sentences. We can use these verbs in sentences. This is called as one letter words. One letter words, this we can easily pronounce. They are having the meanings also. Meanings also. They are having the meanings. The seventh one, sorry, the sixth one. Sixth one is P. P means drink. Copy P. Okay, copy P-O means coffee. You drink coffee. Okay, P. P means drink. The next one is row. Row, see here. Row, I have written in Hindi row and in pronunciation is row. The meaning is cry. The meaning is cry. The meaning is cry. Okay, row mat. Row mat means don't cry. Okay, row mat. Row mat means don't cry. Okay, the next one is pa. Pa means get. Pa means get. Mujhe paana hai. Okay, pa means get. Next one is la. The next one is la, that is L-A-A, la, bring. Coffee la. Coffee la means bring the coffee. Bring the coffee. Bring the tea. Okay, coffee la. दूध ला, पानी ला. Okay, pani lao. Lao means bring the coffee, bring the tea. Next one is lay. Okay, lay. Lay means take. Lay means take. Okay, coffee lay, tea lay, sharbat lay. Okay, sharbat lay means take. See, the word is only one. Sorry, the letter is one. The meaning is here. The pronunciation is also here. P means pee, drink. The next one is row. Row means cry. Next one is pa. Pa means get. Pa means get. Then the next one is la. La means bring. La means bring. The next one is lay. Okay. Lay means take. Is it clear? Easily understandable? Okay. Now we can see some two-letter words. Okay, we can see some two-letter words. There is some rules for reading these letters, reading these words also. See here, we can spell it as A-J. So yeah, we can spell it as A-J, but we have to say it as Aj. We have to say it as Aj. The last one is a point letter. That is means this is a consonants. This is a consonants. This is a consonants Vyanjan. Okay, we have to spell it as Aj and say it as Aj. Say it as Aj. That is Aj today. Okay, the last one also. Each letter we are having the consonants. Each letters we are having the consonants. We have to spell it as also consonants. Okay, see Aj, Aj today. The second one is we can spell as Ut. We can spell as Ut, but we have to say it as Ut. We have to say it as Ut. Ut. That is the meaning is get up. The meaning is get up. Ut means get up. The next one is we can spell it as Gara. Gara. But we have to say it as Gar. We have to say it as Gar. Gar means house. Gar means house. Next, the fourth one is Chara. Chara. Okay, Chara. But we have to say it as Char. We have to say it as Char. Char means grace. Char means grace. Next one is Dara. Dara. We have to say it as Dar. We have to say it as Dar. Dar means fear. See, Aj. Aj means today. Ut means get up. Gar means house. Char means grace. Dar means fear. Okay, all things we have to read like this only. Okay, all things we have to read like this only. So, the next one is the na. The na. Okay, the na. See, the na. The na means then wealth. Okay, then wealth. Next, the seventh one is va na. Va na. One. Va na. One. That is forest. Forest. Va na. One. Forest. Next one is hama. Next one is hama. Hum. Hama. Hum. We. Okay. Hum. We. The next one is such. 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 Truth. Okay. The meaning is truth. Spell it as, split it as letters, then such. Okay. Such. We have to pronounce it as such. Such means truth. Such means truth. Then the next one is ba-la. The next one is ba-la-bal. Okay, ba-la-bal. Bal means strength. Okay, bal means strength. Balwan. Balwan means the strengthened man. Okay, ba-la-bal, strength. Here see, dana, then wealth. Vana, one, forest. Hama, hum, we. Sascha, such, truth. Bala, bal, that means strength. Okay, we can spell these two letters words like this. Okay, we can combine the letters and spell the letters. Always we have to pronounce the last letter like this. Bal, sal, such. See here, ch, ich, im, in. See here also ir, it, ij. Okay, like this we have to pronounce these last letters like consonants. Consonant means vyanjan. Okay, is it clear?